Welcome back to my sweet shop, everyone. Today, we're going to be talking about patience, kindness, and goodness. Let's get ready to learn about patience first. Patience is learning how to wait with a cheerful heart. Is that always easy? No. Sometimes it's really easy to wait and be pouty about it, or be really angry or mad. But that's not what we should do. We should learn to wait with a cheerful heart. So today we are going to be doing a science experiment all about patience. Okay, here's what we're going to do. We need a paper towel that's been cut into the shape of a rainbow. Make sure to have an adult help you with this part. Now we're going to take 2 clear cups and some markers, and we are going to put some color on our rainbow. So we are going to have, I'm going to do green first. And we make sure that if we put a color on this side, we have to put it on the other side in the exact same spot. There we go. I'm going to do green on this side. And then I'm going to do green on this side. And then I'm going to do some orange right beside the green. And then I think I'm going to pick one more color. I'm going to use the purple. Put some purple right here on the edge. Okay, now we are going to take our rainbow with all the colors on it, and we're going to clip a little clippy onto the top, and then we are going to lower it into our cups of water. And then we have to be very patient and wait while something amazing happens. Ready? How cool is that? Our rainbow made it all the way up to the top where our clippy is. We just watched something called capillary action. Capillary action is the movement of a liquid through a narrow space or a porous material, which is our paper towel, defying opposing forces of gravity. Thanks for doing this science experiment with me. I'm so glad that we waited patiently and got to see that really cool experiment happen. Don't forget that you can ask God to help you be patient in your waiting. Now let's move on to kindness. Kindness is showing others God's love through what we say and do. So today we're going to practice spreading kindness like confetti with a confetti game. Would you like to play? Great. Here's what we're going to do. We are going to play a surprise confetti game with these cups, and one of the cups has confetti in it. But I don't know which one it is, so you're going to have to help me figure it out. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick a cup, and then I'm going to put it above my head, poke a hole in it, and if confetti comes out, then we found the confetti cup. Are you ready to play? Good. Which cup should we choose first? I think maybe this one. Let's try and see. Here we go. Oh, no confetti. What about this one? Let's see. Oh, no confetti. What do you think about this one? Let's try it. Here we go. Oh, we found the confetti. Great job, everyone. Wasn't that so fun? We can ask God to help us show kindness to people even when it's really hard. Let's move on to goodness. Let's talk about goodness. Did you know that God is good all the time and that we should let God work in our heart to help us live in a way that would please Him? Today in our activity, we're going to be talking about the verse from Psalms 34:8 that says, "Taste and see that the Lord is good." So we have this sheet right here, and then I have all of these little printouts of things in creation that declare God's goodness and show how amazing He is. So we have some little animals. I have a bird here. I have a penguin. I have the moon that God created. I have some mountains and some rivers. There's some fruit, the sun, trees, fish. So we're going to put all of these things on our paper to help us remember that God's creation shows how amazing and good He is. Let's start to put all of our things on our paper. There's so many things in creation that show God's goodness, but I have just a few printed out here. So let's put our moon on, and then our little fishy. Some trees. People. More people. This is a family. Food. The stars. A little penguin. A bird. A cloud. Mountains and a river. And the sunshine. There's so many things. Letting God work in our hearts can create goodness in our lives. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I'll see you guys next week with more Fruits of the Spirit. Thanks for watching. Now let's explore God's sweet world together. For more fun, ask a grown-up to subscribe.